Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your messages on Freelancer. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you can see at the top of the screen on the right corner that messages icon. Click on that, and here will be shown all your messages. You can search. There is a search bar. If you have a lot of messages, then you can search, and you can filter your messages near the search bar. You can see that active icon. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.